Hey YouTube, Safety here. Now you may wonder why I'm looking at my washing machine and my dryer and talking to you guys here on YouTube, but really what I'm coming to tell you is today is August 11th, 2012, and today I spent 8 hours in a course provided by a couple organizations in my city teaching me how to install properly a laundry to landscape gray water system. And over the course of the next 72 hours I'm going to be installing and getting up and running my laundry to landscape. So just to show you what's going on here right now, my washer, when I'm done, it pumps all of my water back to the city through that tube right there. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be removing this tube, pumping it up here to a couple sets of valves, sending one back in to go to the city of Petaluma, and the other one is going to go over and down. It's going to go through the floor, out to my yard, and I'm going to disperse the water into multiple mulch basins or holes filled with bark in a proper way to meet code. And I'm going to be able to pump all of my clean gray water out of my washing machine out of the yard. Now, like I said, this was provided by some organizations here in town as well as the city, and they provided us with all sorts of training as well as necessary parts and pieces to put the system together. One of the most crucial pieces, which is probably all the way at the bottom here, hang on a second, is this three-way valve that they supply us with, which is going to allow the water right here to come in from the washing machine, and one side, like right over here, is going to go out and back to the city, and when switched another way it's going to go over here and it's going to be able to go out to my yard. Now this is a crucial piece, and this brass fitting is definitely a solid unit that's going to be mounted in there. I'll show you that and the processes that I'm going to do there, and over the next probably 3 or 4 videos I'll show you guys all how I install it, the steps that I go through, any sort of problems or troubleshooting that I deal with, and throughout the whole thing I'm going to be giving special shout outs to all those companies that helped provide parts and pieces for this installation to take place. Now this is part of a bigger 100 gray water install between now and the end of the summer for my county, and you know, this is one of the biggest. There's about 30 people in my class that were training to install over the weekend, which is a good step in the right direction, and we can only hope that from seeing this video and future videos that people are encouraged to do the same things as well. But I gotta run off to work. I gotta go work 6 hours to come back and keep installing for the weekend. But stay safe, YouTube. I'll catch you on the flip side. Peace.